Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful and crochet pattern yarn, cozy crochet pattern yarn, home decoration and toy play foods, kitchen decoration ideas. So I hope you like it. Different and latest vegetables and like fruit, mix and match, customize your fruit with embroidered or additional details like seeds or segments. For an orange and crocheting fruit is a great way to add a touch of whimsy to your home decor or crafting project. Enjoy your crocheted vegetables and fruit. Crocheting vegetables is a fun and creative project. You can make various vegetables like carrots, tomato, and olives, like different or cucumber. Here are basic pattern for crocheting: a simple carrot and different food pattern. So I hope you like it, like broccoli and different style orange and guava and onion, avocado and pumpkin, different and latest style watermelon. So I hope you like it, and beautiful vibrant color combination and styles. And you can customize your crochet vegetables with additional details or of and or color. For example, for a tomato, use red yarn and add a green stem. For a cucumber, use green yarn and add white or yellow section. Get creative and have fun crocheting your favorite vegetable. So I hope you like it, my video and my channel. So guys, please